welcome back to the Razor RC, and we got a fun little unboxing, the HPI Racing Bullet MT Flux. This is a 1/10 scale electric four-wheel drive monster truck. It's been out for a while, but I have not ever driven one before or even seen one before, so I was super excited about picking this up. Special shout out to Your RC for sponsoring this series of vehicles. They shipped this out to me. They got super fast shipping. We got 5% off coupon code, and so you can get this or pretty much any other vehicle, whether you want an Arma or Traxxas or whatever. Also, they released a brand new line, the Halco Sport Series, a bunch of lipos. I got a couple of these 5500 milliamp hour batteries, which will fit perfectly within the Bullet MT Flux. The battery tray on this thing is a little bit small, so it is nice that they have something that fits. As you can see, brushless system, 8 shocks, which is kind of unusual, a 3mm chassis, steel turnbuckles, and then looking over here on the side, not a whole lot of information. Here on the back, we got basically a little more stuff about the electronics. So it is waterproof, Metal Gear servo, waterproof of course, 4000 kV motor, 3S capable ESC, gear differentials front and rear, as well as a slipper. And then kind of the unusual thing, it is made in Taiwan, which is a little unusual for an RTR. Most of them are made in China, so expect the quality to be a little bit higher. Price is also a little bit on the high side, $445 I think in the US, and €499 in Europe. So hopefully the quality matches the price. But yeah, this is it. Going to do a little unboxing, crack open the seals here. I've not taken a look inside yet. This is all brand new to me, so we're gonna see, and you guys can follow along while I'm opening the box. Yeah, let's see what's inside here. Nicely packaged. It is a little bit smaller than your standard 10 scale monster truck, a little more on the Stampede side. I think it's pretty much shares the same chassis with the ST, the stadium truck version of this vehicle. So that is a four-wheel drive stadium truck. But yeah, they make a monster truck version as well. A little manual, ton of tubes, some instructions. Nothing too exciting there. Then we got another box, I assume, with the radio and the, I don't know, some extra parts or whatever. So let's crack this thing open. Take a look inside. Oh, nice. Comes with AA batteries. Looks like some shock pistons, replacement pistons for the 8 shocks. Some shock spacers, a little T-wrench it looks like. Let's see what else in here. I guess that's about it. And then the radio. So this radio is new to me. I have not ever used an HPI radio before. I mean, I've never had an HPI at all, but let's take a look at this thing here. So it looks like a nice foam grip. Trigger seems okay. It's called the TF41 2.4 gigahertz radio. Bunch of adjustments, dual rate, throttle trim, steering trim, and then it is 3 channels. One really nice thing though, it does have servo endpoint adjustment for throttle and steering. So yeah, pretty rare on a RTR radio, and honestly one of the most critical features. So 4 AA's, power switch here on the back, foldable antenna. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the radio. And then here's the little truck itself. Looks like the plastic. Oh, we gotta pop off the little body clips first, so let's take those off. A little bit hard to remove, honestly. they're kind of small body clips, so a little tricky to remove. Here's the body in the traditional HPI orange and black, a little gray. Feels like it's like PVC. I don't think it's Lexan. So medium weight. Not super thin, not super thick. Seems like a pretty good shape though. Nothing's really sticking out, so hopefully it holds up pretty well. And here's the truck. As you can see, the battery tray here on the side. A lot of people complain about the battery tray because you got to plug the wires into the box. Dean's plugs there, as you can see. Tires look like kind of Chevron style monster truck tires. We got the 8 shocks, kind of fake light buckets here in the front. I don't know if you can remove those and put in actual LED lights, but that's what the front looks like. It does have Phillips screws, which is a big disappointment really at this price point for a hobby grade. Should not have Phillips head screws, but nice aluminum chassis. I think it's 6061. Kind of looks like a Hobel Hyper 10 MT or TT. I had one of those. Nice little roll cage, I guess, for protection. Little aluminum servo holder, so should keep that servo mounted pretty well. So nice looking vehicle. Actually, the quality, the fit and finish is really high on this. A cut above your standard Arma or Traxxas even, I would say. With all the nicely finished aluminum pieces. 8 shocks, they are plastic. That's kind of a signature thing though, I think. Yeah, not really a fan of 8 shocks, but that's the first time I've had a vehicle with that. Here's your ESC, brushless motor, discs feel good. Yeah, adjustable turnbuckles at least. Adjustable body posts, they look a little thin though. And then you got these body clips to hold in the battery tray. So let's kind of take a look inside here. People, I think, used to use 6 body clips to hold in the battery. I think it's just 3 now. So yeah, if we pull these things out, if I can get this thing off. Yeah, just 3 body clips now. And that's the little cap. You got some foam spacers. Keep the battery in position. Battery tray, honestly. So it only fits like a 2S size battery. If you want to run 3S, you got to use like a 3S that's the size of a 2S. I think about 25 millimeters, I think, in height or thickness. So yeah, that's kind of a bummer. Here's the front steering knuckles. Seem okay. Big, I think 2.8 inch wheels, black chrome, looks pretty good. There's your little Flux motor, the HPI motor. 4,000 kV is a little bit odd. Usually it's about 4,500 kV for a 2S or maybe 3,300 kV for a 3S. So it's kind of in the middle. Probably runs a little better on 2S, runs a little cooler, but it does say it's 3S capable. So, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. The HPI Racing Bullet MT Flux. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Look for more videos soon, and thanks for watching.